Hi friends, welcome to another video. I have not done an Ipsy video in a very long time, but I decided why not do it now because I actually like the things I got this time. The past few months have been kind of you get those months where you're like, really? I paid 10 bucks for that? And 10 bucks really isn't a whole lot, especially for what you get, but still sometimes you're like, ugh. I've been actually contemplating quitting doing Ipsy, but I might actually switch it up and do the Ipsy Plus boxes where I get 5 full-size products. So I think that would be really fun. So I will be doing that. Riley's going in and out of the front door, but don't worry, Grandpa's out there with them. So anyways, and my popcorn's done in the microwave. I'm so unprofessional today. Anyways, I really wanted to share this with you because I thought the bag was super cute and I really like the things that I got. And I haven't done one for so long, so I was like, why not do it now? All right, so this is the bag and I think it's absolutely adorable. It's so cute. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. I'm like, I am keeping this one. I'm not gifting this bag to anybody. This is mine. I'm so excited. All right, so the things that I got. Let me get these out. I'm so excited. I really like, I didn't even take them out yet, but I know what I was getting because I saw the sneak peeks, but anyways. Okay, so when you open this, it has a really pretty green in there. That's pretty cool. All right, so in there, you also get this little card, and when you open it, it shows you what you got. But I don't want to ruin that for you, so I'm not going to do this up close and show you what's in here. So let me show you what I got personally. All right, so I did get one of these. I have a Tony Moly. I got a Tony Moly facial cleanser before, and I really liked it, and I let them know that, so they sent me another one. It is Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser by Tony Moly. So I'm sure this is awesome, and I'm sure it smells amazing. I'm gonna smell it for you. I can't really smell it right now for some reason. Maybe because I just did a whole bunch of like cleaning with the Mrs. Meyer's mint spray. So that's all I can smell right now. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this. All right, so I absolutely love the Tarte brand. I'm hooked on it. Like I go to Ulta and I buy Tarte cosmetics on many things, and I also let Ipsy know I like that brand. So they sent me the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape. It's hydrating primer, so that's exciting. So just like a little trial size of it, of course, because you don't really get full-size products with Ipsy, except for sometimes you get a couple here and there. But yeah, so here is the Tarte Base Tape base tape, and it is hydrating primer. I really like that because I just started really getting into using primer, and I really like it a lot. And then since it's hydrating, I will like it even more because I have super sensitive dry skin. So I'm really happy about that. What are you doing? All right, and then I absolutely love getting lip products. Absolutely. But the past few months I have been getting colors I would never wear from Ipsy. So yeah, womp womp. But this time I got one and I'm so excited to use it. It is from the brand The Balm Cosmetics. I love The Balm Cosmetics. I've gotten many things from them, from Ipsy, many times before, and I also have an eyeshadow palette that I absolutely love like crazy. It's actually one of my favorites. But this time I got one of their colored lips, like liquid lipsticks. It's Creamy Lip Stain. And it is in the color Konnichiwa. Yeah, I love it. So here, this, and this is actually like my go-to color. I'm gonna try this really quick. Wow, I definitely love the color. It's like a nude mauve color, and it's like almost lip color, but just not really, and that's what I love. I love it so much. Wow, this is definitely going to be in my purse. I'm going to keep it in there and use it probably daily. Wow, I love it. Like I have a couple Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, and one of them is like my absolute favorite ever, and I mean, this is, wow. It's depending on how this turns out like hours later, this is definitely like tied with that. I really like that. All right, so this is what it looks like up close. If you can see it. Focus on that, not on me. Anyways, it won't focus, but it says Konnichiwa. That's the name of the color. And I went on to the Ipsy website and they actually have other colors too. But yeah, I got that. And then I love getting nail polish from them. I get nail polish from them a lot and I love it. And not only because it's fun to get the fun colors that they send me, but because nail polish is like always full size when you get it from them. So I got this. Here's the front of it actually. The brand is La Beauty Essentials nail polish, 100% vegan friendly and toxin free. And the color is called Purrlicious. It's like Purrlicious. There it is, see? And it is a really pretty lilac color, or even softer than that even. But yeah, you can really pick up the color very good. It's picking up a little darker on the video. It's actually a little bit lighter. That's better if I do it like that. But yeah, that's the color. I think it's really fun. My daughter and I like to paint our nails, so you can't really tell right now. But this will be a fun color for us to do together. And then last but not least, I am so excited about this. I have always wanted a fan brush. Don't know why it took me so long to get one, but I'm glad I waited because I got one from Ipsy. It is from the brand $1 Billion Brushes. See? $1 Billion Brushes. And here's the fan brush. It is super soft. It says fan brush right there if you're curious. But it is super soft and I've always wanted one so I can do like my highlighter. Just make it much easier. I just think it would be so wonderful just to be able to use my like highlighters with it. Ooh, I could feel like a real makeup guru. I'll never be one, but I'll actually feel like one temporarily. But yes, I am so excited to use this on my highlighter. I'm so excited. I've always wanted a fan brush. So I am very, very excited about using this. All right, you guys, I think this is a very good month from Ipsy. I'm so excited. I absolutely love everything that I got. I will be doing a BoxyCharm video, so stay tuned for that. I got my BoxyCharm actually like over a week ago. I just have been too lazy to do a video for it. But hopefully I can film that tomorrow and have it uploaded soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Ipsy Glam bag video and stay tuned for more videos to come. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every